If you sit for more than 8 hours a day, your chair might be slowly killing you. Today, we're uncovering why sedentary behavior is as dangerous as smoking and what you can do to reverse the damage. When you sit, your body's metabolism slows down immediately. Large muscles in your legs turn off, causing your ability to burn fat to plummet by 90%. Over time, this inactivity triggers insulin resistance and chronic inflammation. Even if you hit the gym later, those hours of stillness take a unique toll on your cardiovascular health. Surprisingly, experts say that even an hour of exercise doesn't fully negate the risks of prolonged sitting. Your body needs constant, low-level movement to function optimally. We'll explore one simple habit that resets your system in seconds. Standing up every 30 minutes restores circulation and keeps your metabolic rate firing. Think of movement as a non-negotiable requirement for your longevity. Prioritize movement throughout the day to reclaim your health. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more evidence-based wellness tips.